So just double click on this icon. It will ask you for the password. The password is HR. Okay, now you are connected. Now, see, these are all the tables which were already created by different users. Now, there, if you use the common names like which we have done, employee, student, these are all the names which the other users also would have used. So, what you do is you use your own register number, student number at the end. Like say, I want to create, now to create, click, make a right click on tables, you go to new table. Here we are going to create an table. So EMP followed by some name. See here, when I am doing such, an object already exists with that name. So I have to give such a name which is unique. Okay, if I give 425, some number, okay, of my employee number, last 3 digits. Now it is unique. Okay. Now, so I have created. Now let's give the column names. The column name is ENO, employee number. What data type do I want? It should be of number. What size do I need? Okay, done. I need. It should not be null. It should be a primary key. I forgot to tell about the primary key. Primary key is a key which has unique values. Okay, so one field has been added. Next, add another one. You saw that there's an add column. Now, the next one is ename. The data type is varchar2. Size, let it be 50. And when you say not null, if you try to put empty value in that field, it will not accept. It will. There should always be some value. When you uncheck it, null values also are acceptable. What do you mean by null value? Nothing. You can skip that field and go to the next one. Okay. When you click this, null values are not acceptable. Then, what is the next field? Salary, number here. Then let us see later on. I will show you here. 10. Give the precision as 2. When you click this advanced, you go. B425 was made. Went to this one. Okay, let us see this. For now, how I will be changing, I will show you again when we go to that one. Now what did we do? We created all the columns, right? Now we want to insert. Now first of all, to create this particular table, we have written such lengthy command, create table, table name, all the fields, true? See here, automatically it creates that. Create table, this is a schema. What is the table name? EMP425. See, employee number 10.10,2, not null, e name, and so on. All these things are done automatically in SQL Developer. This is more user friendly. If you use SQL Plus, explicitly you have to type every line.
Everything manually.
Everything manually. So this is more user friendly, and it does it automatically. So here we have created them. Now I want to enter the values. See here the icons. This is to freeze them, refresh them, insert a row. Now I want to insert a row. Okay. What are the values which I want to insert? Some number 1, employee name, Ahmad, salary 500. Then 2, some employee name Ali, 600. Employee name 3, some employee name. Again Ali, can we know?
Yeah.
There can be 2 employees with same name,
name.
700. Then 4, Muhammad, employee name. Salary 800. Then 5, employee name. Tell me some name.
Hassan.
Hassan. Hassan.
Son.
Salary
800 VD.
800 also you want. Okay. So like this we can go
Hopefully.
on, enter any number of results. Now after that you see this commit. What does commit do? Saves. Khalas. Commit success. Insert into this these values. Okay.
Oh.
Now from here also you can see, or else you can see from here. Like say select star from EMP 425. Sir? No. Here. See this. Employee number, employee name, salary, which we have entered. Select star from. Now, select star from EMP where salary greater than what?
600.
600.
You know to put where down?
Here you are getting that?
No, there, when you write
Okay.
it down. No, there. See the yellow line.
Yeah, this one.
You keep your right where down,
Down meaning?
down select.
I didn't understand. Now see here. As of this,
إن الوير يكتبها تحت السلكت.
how did I get this one? How did I get this one you are asking?
The where
لا في لاين واحد.
عادي يصير لون واحد لأنه أنا خليتها قبل يكتبونها كلها تحت بعض. إذا هاللون نسوي لك اللي دكتور على.
She means that's where should be
Here
You know, I take this subject with Java.
Okay. Then
Yes, he learned us you keep work down.
anywhere. Now I kept it there also, no?
But she meant in the, it's under the line.
He
It's
said
like
you
a
have to
second
press.
line.
Like this?
You do it in a separate line.
Where
Anywhere.
is in a separate
It's
line?
okay.
No, it's okay. No, we got it. No.
Even if I write it down.
Yeah.
Not
Now see
big
again.
enough.
I'll write another one. Now I'll write another one. Select. What do I want to select? E number, E name only. From
الله يلعن جوابه.
EMP 425.
تكينا.
Okay. Now this one. Here, where did you go? Employee number and E name.
What?
That's what I'm offering. I didn't
It's not like that. I have to go to the next line and run nothing like that. See here, whatever, still you get the same. Select it.
يصير هاللون.
Now see here.
Select حطيت تحت. Sir, I need this one. Select you write until employee after you keep it
Like,
down.
can one line become two lines?
We can.
Can
but
we
why
s-
what's the need?
Yep.
هذا ترى لاين واحد، هذا لاين واحد بس كتبتي تحته.
إيه لأن أنا تعلمت أساسا على دوك فمن شو قاعد أقول.
Can we separate it into two steps,
هذا
sir?
separation هذا separation خلاص. عندهم one two three هذا يسمى.
My
Because
question.
it's the where she means that the where becomes the second line like this.
Okay.
Okay, but I think it's fine, you know. It
working,
just
no?
separates from here. Yeah.
Now what if we put it in the same line?
No, I think it's a problem if I keep it in the same line.
Now did we get any
Because
problem?
one time I make it and become for me error.
Now
That's why I leave it.
now any error?
No.
Then see this. Now we are ready to see. Select. What we missed is we missed the comma there. Employee number, employee name from this one. When you execute, now you see employee number, employee name. Okay. So like this we can have different types of selects.
But in the exam you give us we make the table or
You
you
have to make
select
the-
for us the employee or
No,
employees?
you have to make
So
table
كل
size
شيء
minimum,
بالبداية.
you have to make, and then lots of things you have to do. This is a simple table which I told you to do.
هيجاوب قص علينا عيال احنا.
Huh? Tell me, what is that? What do you say?
She said Jabbar maybe he lied to us.
يتركز.
Because he didn't say for us do the table alone. No, in the question, the query, he tell for us select from and the table name.
That is wrong.
Wrong for him, wrong for me.
I want to teach you everything. Okay, now see here. Listen, it's a very important thing. Okay, we created a table. Okay, I want to make many changes with the table. Click on the table, you see here. You want to edit, rename the table, copy the table, drop the table, so many things we
for you
can do.
guys on YouTube.
Columns. Listen man. Listen. If you want to go there and talk. So columns, we have rename, adding a column, dropping a column. Constraints, these are more important. We have to add, enable foreign constraints, add a primary key, add a foreign key. Index, privileges, we can grant and revoke. Then all of these which we can do. Now let me edit. What do I want to edit? Edit employee number. Employee number, I don't want it to be precision. And then I want to edit also salary.
هذه ولا شيء أنا.
Okay, now
بس قبل ما كان عندنا احنا هذه، كان عندنا القديم الاس كيو ال.
because
مثل those أبيض أسود
إيه.
والأبيض.
listen man,
Yeah.
you have to see here. While I'm trying to do, it's not allowing. Why? The reason is I already entered values in the table. After I enter values in the table, it is not